Hello, CFM. This, I think, will be our last video for the time being. This one is going to cover just making edits directly to a content page here. So we're going to start with the State Affairs page. We will be making some minor non-usable edits live, but we'll immediately delete them. So in any case, here we go. I do like to keep both the front end and the back end of the site open so that I can kind of go back and forth and see what's happening here. So you can see here's our H1 and here's our H2, and that corresponds to these two headlines right here. We do only want a single H1 per page, so if there's going to be additional headlines on this page, they will be this red style H2. So if, for instance, you did want another one of these headlines, the easiest way to do that is going to be to just come right over here, and you can see when I hover over any one of these blocks, this little green strip shows up, and it's got a couple of items on it. One, it allows you to move it, so if I click and hold on the four-way arrow, I can change the order of these items and put it wherever I need it to go. I can click on the pencil to edit that. So if I wanted to change this headline, that pops up here and I can type that in. Or if I want to delete it, I can hit the X, or what we're really interested in this case is this clone. So I can hit that, I can duplicate it. Then I've got an extra headline I can put wherever I want, and then I can change it to my new headline, whatever it is that I need there. Let's go ahead and delete that. If we need to add more of these bullet points with the icon next to them, again, I'm going to suggest that we use that clone function. So you can see here we've got 3 rows of 2 each. So that shows up here, but we can also, you can see there's a whole row right up here that can be moved around as well. So we can move this whole row somewhere new. Or we can duplicate that whole row. So we could just hit clone this row, and then we could drag this new one right down here to the bottom, or move these other ones up here. So now you can see our duplicate legislative strategy is down here at the bottom, and we could just edit this to whatever it needs to be. If you only needed one of them instead of the whole row, and so you didn't need this second one here, you could just, again, get rid of that. We could come right over here, and this will only be live for literally seconds. So we'll come right here, we'll refresh, and we can see we've got our new headline here. Let's go ahead and delete that, update it so it goes away. These items right here, this staff team classification equals state affairs and category limit post-grid state affairs, that's what feeds in both the staff here and the new articles. So go ahead and leave those codes there, and that just makes sure that if you add a new team member to state, they will show up here if you put them after Laura, Rachel, in whatever order is designated there. Same for the case studies and the blog posts. So that's what gets these all feeding in there newest first. That really should give you a lot of ability to edit and control the site. Happy to make more training videos. If there's something that you want to know how to do that hasn't been covered here, just let me know. Thank you so much.